Hey, this is Abhishek, and today in this video I'll be going to demonstrate you part of a Java program that is exception handling. So what is an exception handler? So exception are the events that occur during the execution of a program that disturbs the normal flow of instruction. Suppose when we perform a mathematical expression such as a zero, any number divided by zero, we 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 take it as assumption that the result is infinity, or if there is an access out of bound. Those things are the exceptions in the fields of a Java programming. So the computer can't give a result as any number divided by 0 to be infinity, so all these belongs under the exception handling. So in the Java, an exception is an object that wraps the errors event that occur within the method contains, and even it also includes the and, and even it also includes the which type of a error it is. So now I'll be going to demonstrate you the function. So over here you can see I've already I've already prepared a function. I've already prepared a program for the demonstration. So over here actually I prepared a program related to a real life banking system. So over here, if in this there is an exception, if any person wants to create their account, the minimum balance should be 500. If it's not possible, the exception, it is taken as an exception and the message is printed out, and the message has been displayed for the for to so so the message will be displayed to enter the amount more than 500. So over here you can see that as it's a user input. So I'm importing a package of scanner that is in the utility package. So a public class bank, this is the main over here, and scanner as bank OB. I'm making an object of a class name as bank. So bank OB is equal to new OB, and after that we are displaying the screen that we have to create, whether we are giving this. You can see it's somewhat like a menu driven program in which we are giving the detail. The detail has been printed in the screen, whether the user want to create any new account or he want to withdraw any account. So if the user select option as 1, the option will be over here. You can see the option will be selected to create an account, and when the particular option 1 is selected, the following details will be asked by the user, that is enter customer name. After that, enter the type of account, whether he want to select for the savings or the deposit or current account. And after that the message will be displayed in the screen to enter the amount. And over here you can see this is called as exception handling over here. So always in exception handlers there will be two blocks. One block is try, and always the try block will be carried by a catch block. So over here you can see that if a user inputs the amount which is to be less than 500, over here you can see that throws exception, else B create account. That means B is an object of a bank which tells which calls the method of create an account. So over here you can see the over here the class customer. So first of all I'll finish this one. So over here you can see B dot create account. So if the amount is more than 500, the amount will be the account will be created, and the argument will be passed as what's the name of a customer, which type, and what's the balance. else exception handle system order initial balance will be displayed. And after that there's another this for the second option, if the particular user want to withdraw the amount, and the same procedure will be followed over here. And after that over here you can see the public main extends the customer class. So over here you can see that I have already prepared a customer class in which the private string name, all these things are private, so that it can't be accessed by another particular method or field. So another particular field, so private string name account, private int balance, and string name. The main class is the main class is extending to that customer class, and over here set name and everything are same as if it. And if over here you can see that public void withdraw string name string temp, and if the name equals to ignore case. If the name doesn't equals, or if the name equals to ignore system dot, the account does not exist. That means if a particular name, if the particular user has entered the wrong name, the following message will be displayed, that is, it is a case sensitive. If a particular name is displayed in this capital, if the particular name has been initiated as a in the caps, and after the withdrawing the particular user gives in the small caps, then it shows the message that account does not exist. So now I'll show you the demonstration of this program. So let's see. So over here as I told, it's a many different program, so it asks to create an account. So here we are creating account, we'll give name as and after that enter the type savings, enter the amount, when I enters when the balance equal to 400, that is depositing balance, initial balance should be 500. This is exceptional handling. Then 0, then again we have to create an account. That is 1. Thousand. Yes. And similarly, this way we can simply, and similarly in this way we can enter the and create each and every account, and we can enter for all and all those, and we can create and enter for all those users. Thank you for watching this video.